water.
Why would you even do that to me?
I could send it to Dr. Gordon. See, it's just water, Mom. But look at the soap. Look at the soap, Mom. It's just soap. Look, it's just soap. Ah!
I hate you. I really do.
I don't know what's so bad about it. Look, they sprayers now. Spray, 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 spray.
She still had ice on the top.
Yeah.
See,
See, it's getting blown off. See, that's why you get a car wash. Water, spot-free rinse.
Oh,
And guess what? We're in the hot zone now. See, they actually have a giant heater over there that blows. And see, there's fire in it. It's blowing hot air at us. Now keep your foot off the brake until it tells you to. There's a sign up there. Outside, it'll tell you when.